Back to Tecnologías. In this video, I am going to show you how you can remove the names that the feature stories on Instagram have. It is quite simple. Go to the Instagram, and the first thing we're going to do is go to Pro Life. We're going to work for this features. In my case, I have this, press in more, edit, highlight, and the title. You can delete the title or enter other. In my case, gem in capital letters. Okay, change and done, and we can see the of this board. It's very quite and simple. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more content with us.